stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this. I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm just taking my hemp oil and I'm going to use that to take out my plaits that I have in my hair. Quickly, I want to just apologize for not following through with my uploading schedule that I set for myself. I don't think I told you guys what it was, but that's a good thing because I came down with the flu, so I wasn't able to upload like I wanted to, which would have been last week Thursday. But now I'm feeling much better and I'm able to do the voiceover. So that's why it's being done now. Hopefully I don't have any more problems and I should be able to upload every Thursday like I plan to. So now I'm just taking my paddle brush and I'm just brushing through all my curls because the style that I'm doing, I don't want any curls. So yeah, I'm just brushing through them. And I use a paddle brush because that is what works for me. You can use a wide tooth comb, a Denman brush, whatever you find works for you. So now that everything is all brushed out, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and try to make a part straight enough curved part. The front didn't end up coming out the way I wanted it to, but I wasn't going to spend too much time on that. And then I just take a little section off to the front, that is the left side I believe, and I part that little section off. And then I use my edge control to do my edges. I plan to do a twist right there, so I want sleek edges for that. So now I'm just taking my brush and just brushing the rest of the product through, because I find that whenever I don't do that, you'll see the front of my hair looking real sleek and then the back looking real messy. And since I wasn't using gel, then I figured that I should do that. That's what works for me. Now I'm just doing my edges, trying to make them look nice and trying to practice. But yeah, after I get the shape, I guess, that I want, I take my gorilla snot and then I go back over with it, you know how I do. Now I'm just going to twist that section, and then after that I'm going to work on the rest of my hair. So now I'm going to take the rest of my hair and part it into sections. Whenever I'm doing a sleek bun, I normally part my hair into 3 sections just so I can get it to look sleek enough. So after I section off that back half, I just spray it with water and then I brush it down to get any tangles out, and then I apply my Eco Styler gel to it and then brush it out some more. And then after that, I take my hemp oil and I just go over the whole area where I put the gel. I discovered this like 2 months ago, that whenever I do this step, it like softens my hair and it makes it seem as though I have no gel in there. So If you have hemp oil or any oil, I don't know if it'll work for any oil, but it should work for any oil. You should try it and see if it works, because it works for me and it leaves my hair super soft. So once I'm done with that section, then I part off another section in the front, the lower half, and I just repeat the same steps. And then I do the same exact thing for this front section. And the reason why I do 3 sections is because whenever I want my bun to look like this, like the side part bun, if I don't do it this way, then the front of my hair that I'm doing right now will puff up like nobody's business. So I find that whenever I do it this way, it holds everything in place. I don't know if there's a science behind that, but it holds everything in place. So yeah, if you're having problems with keeping your bun sleek, then you should probably try it this way too. And once I'm done with that, then I just get ready to put my hair in a ponytail or a bun. I make sure that I have no knots and tangles. If I do, then I go in with 2 separate brushes to make sure I get those out so that my hair can look extra sleek. And once I get the smoothness that I want, then I proceed into putting my hair in a bun. And this time I didn't use a sock. I just kind of folded the hair under. So yeah. And then once I finish that, I just take some edge control and slick down the front portion of my hair so that it doesn't curl up throughout the day. And this part of my hair on this side right here that I'm doing now did not stay throughout the day. So, yeah, I guess because I didn't tie my hair down with a scarf or whatever, but it didn't stay, but no worries. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. I've actually never seen my hair in a bun like that from the back. It looks really cute. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I'll see y'all in my next one.